How does jury deliberation work in criminal cases? Imagine sitting in a quiet room with a group of your peers, each bringing their own experiences and perspectives, tasked with making a decision that could impact someone's life. This process is at the core of how criminal cases are resolved when a jury is involved. After a trial concludes and closing arguments are presented, the judge provides instructions to the jury. These instructions clarify the legal standards they must apply, including the requirement to determine whether the prosecution has proven the defendant's guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. Jurors are then asked to retire to a private room to begin deliberations. During deliberation, jurors review all the evidence presented during the trial, including witness testimonies, physical evidence, and any exhibits. They discuss the case openly, sharing their interpretations and perspectives. The goal is to reach a consensus or a majority decision, depending on the jurisdiction. In most criminal cases in the United States, a unanimous verdict is required, meaning all jurors must agree on whether the defendant is guilty or not guilty. Jurors may ask the judge to clarify legal points or review specific pieces of evidence through written questions or requests for additional instructions. These requests are carefully considered and addressed to ensure the jury fully understands the legal standards they must apply. The deliberation process can vary in length, sometimes taking only a few hours, other times spanning several days. Throughout this time, jurors are expected to set aside personal biases and focus solely on the evidence and instructions provided. Jurors are also instructed to avoid outside influences, such as media coverage or conversations with people not involved in the case. Once the jury reaches a decision, they notify the judge, who then asks them to deliver their verdict in open court. If the verdict is not unanimous, some jurisdictions allow for a hung jury, which can lead to a mistrial and a possible new trial. This process ensures that the decision in a criminal case is fair, thorough, and based on the evidence and the law, reflecting the fundamental principles of justice.